My question is, how can we protect ourselves and protect our kids so that the pursuit of education and jobs doesn't lead to materialism and divert us from the remembrance of Allah?
We should follow Islamic teachings. You should offer 5 daily prayers. I hope that your parents would have told you all these things. These are the good things, these are the bad things. So the same way, you can also train your children, do the proper tarbiyat, set your own examples before them, offer 5 daily prayers, pray for yourself and for your children as well, right? That Allah Ta'ala make you pious and keep you on the straight path, and for your children as well. Pray for them, pray for yourself, set your example before your children, and apart from that, you have to have some interaction with them. And if not daily, at least once a week, the whole family should sit together, discuss different faith matters, or at least listen to the MTA, or listen to the dars, or read any book, and discuss all these things, so that in this way they would know that their religion, their faith is also something we should be given preference. So if they understand that my parents are prioritizing the religion or faith over everything, then they will follow your footsteps. Okay?
Jazakumullah.